Hi, I'm Victoria Sparks. I'm a life skills teacher in Bandon, and I'm going to read the book If You Were a Times Sign. So a times sign, we also call it a multiplication sign, and it looks like an X. And we'll read about it. If you were a times sign, you would multiply one number by another number. Shelley sails ashore with 4 6-packs of soda cans. 4 times 6 equals 24 soda cans. So 4 times 6 equals 24. And that's what a times sign looks like. Looks like an X. If you were a times sign, you would be a symbol used to show multiplication. Multiplication is a quick way to add the same number over and over again. 5 diving dragonflies have 6 legs each. 5 dragonflies times 6 legs equals 30 legs in all. So 5 times 6 equals 30, or 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 30. 5 sneaky spiders have 8 legs each. 5 spiders times 8 legs each equals 40 legs in all. So 5 times 8 equals 40. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 40. If you were a times sign, you would be part of a multiplication problem. The problem's answer is called the product. So when you multiply two numbers together, you get an answer called a product. Ribbon snakes have 3 white stripes on their back. 3 ribbon snakes times 3 white stripes equals 9 white stripes total. The product is 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 2 mice race on each white stripe. 2 mice times 9 stripes equals 18 mice total. The product is 18. So 2 times 9 equals 18. If you were a times sign, you could switch the numbers before you and the number after you, and it wouldn't matter which number came first because the product would be the same. 2 tigers' tricycles have 3 wheels each. 2 tricycles times 3 wheels equals 6 wheels total. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 bears' bicycles have 2 wheels each. 3 bicycles times 2 wheels each equals 6 wheels total. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So the problem, even though it looks different, the answer is going to be the same. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. If you were a times sign, you could work left to right or top to bottom. Toucan has 2 toasters. Each toaster holds 4 pieces of bread. Toucan fills the 2 toasters. 2 toasters times 4 pieces of bread each equals 8 pieces of bread in all. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Toucan takes the toast to the twins. 2 plates times 4 pieces of toast on each plate equals 8 pieces of toast in all. So 2 times 4 is 8. So this problem and this problem are the same problem. One is horizontal, going this way. One is vertical, going up and down. If you were a times sign, you could be used like the words group of. Fifi holds 2 groups of 5 balloons. 2 groups of 5 equals 10 balloons. So groups of would be used in a word problem. So this is a word problem. And they use the word groups of to indicate multiplication. 2 times 5 is 10. So that's the vertical, or the horizontal. And then 2 times 5 equals 10. That's the vertical. Fifi flies away with 4 groups of 5 balloons. 4 groups of 5 equal 20 balloons. So Again, they used groups of to tell us that it's multiplication. That is a word. Those are words that tell us that we are going to be multiplying. So 4 times 5 equals 20. If you were a time sign, you could be part of a story problem. Each day, the Kangaroos played basketball. On Friday, Caleb scored 4 baskets. Each basket was worth 2 points. Kate scored 3 points. Who scored the most points? Kate scored 3 3-pointers. Who scored the most points? Caleb's score would be the product of 4 times 2. Kate's score would be the product of 3 times 3. So 4 times 2 is 4 groups of 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. Kate's score is 3 groups of 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So Caleb scored 8 points and Kate scored 9 points. So Kate scored the most points. Good job, Kate. If you were a time sign, you would be the opposite of a divided by sign. Multiplication uses repeated addition. So that means that you add numbers over and over and over again. Division uses repeated subtraction. So that means you subtract numbers over and over again. 3 octopuses wear flippers on the end of their arms. 3 octopuses times 8 arms equals 24 flippers. So 3 times 8 equals 24. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 24. So that's 3 groups of 8. Suddenly, the flippers slip off. 24 lost slippers divided by 8 empty arms on each octopus equals 3 sad octopuses. So 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 24 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 equals 0. If you were a time sign, you could multiply single-digit or double-digit numbers. 2 7-eyed aliens land on Saturn. 2 aliens times 7 eyes each equals 14 eyes total. 2 times 7 equals 14. 10 10-eyed aliens greet them. 10 aliens times 10 eyes equals 100. So 10 times 10 equals 100. You would always multiply if you were a time sign. That was if you were a time sign.